So that is what we have seen. And now from in today's class, we are going to see the H parameters. H na enna meaning na hybrid. Hybrid parameters now. These parameters will define the characteristics of the transistors. ஹைபிரிட்ங்கிறதுனால 4 parameter டிஃப்ரெண்டா இருக்கும். See, one the input impedance, next one is output admittance, current forward, current gain, reverse voltage. Can you see that all the 4 parameters are completely different? So they are called as H parameters. And remember, transistor is a current controlled device. The collector current will determine your other current. So transistor is a current controlled device. Okay, everything depends on current. Voltage measure transistor everything is current. That's why we have 3 currents: emitter current, base current, and collector current. Input impedance. So see the diagram. Impedance. Now, what is the meaning of the word impedance? Can anybody say what is meant by impedance? What is impedance? What is impedance? How will you find impedance? Or how will you find resistance? What formula you will use to find the resistance?
V by I.
Yes, V by I. V by I equal to R, correct? So same way, impedance is also, it's the V by I. When resistance become impedance, when you have an imaginary term getting added, that imaginary term is called as reactance, correct? Resistance plus J into reactance is called as impedance. So input impedance means, see the graph, see the circuit diagram. Input side, I am measuring the impedance. What is the voltage at the input side? What is the voltage at the input side of the common base? See the diagram is seen on the screen. See the diagram now. At the input side, what is the voltage? V VEB, correct? Now, voltage means what you are measuring, okay? I'm not asking about what you are giving. You give VEE, but what you measure is VEB, correct? In voltage is VEB, and what is the input current? IE. So if I take the ratio of these two things, I will get the value for input impedance. And whenever you do input characteristics, you will take the output voltage as constant, right? So that is the condition is going to apply here also. See the formula here. HIB equal to delta VEB by delta IB. H indicates H parameter. I indicates input impedance. B indicates common base. Adnala HIB. Okay, naming convention is also having a significance. Please understand that when I write HIB, the meaning is H indicates hybrid parameters. I indicates input impedance, which I am measuring. B indicates it is a common base transistor. So on the over transistor, these parameters will be different. So see here delta VEB by delta IE at constant VCB. Diagram padi parunga, delta VEB, delta VEB change in voltage. So delta VEB by delta IE at constant VCB. So idellame you should not by heart. Diagram, if you are drawing it correctly, from diagram you can explain everything in all the different modes of your transistor. Very, very simple. So this is how we were taught. I can relate everything and say you in all the shortcuts for remembering these things in a transistor. And you know what is the unit of input impedance? Impedance can a unit. What is the unit of impedance? It is ohms. See the last line given here. The typical value of HIB is 20 to 50 ohms. So input impedance it should be high or low. Can anybody answer this question? Input impedance should be high or low. The 20 or 50 ohms, is it okay or it is not okay? They have given the input impedance HIB for this common base is varying from 20 to 50 ohms, right? Whether this value is okay or it is not okay, I want the reason. See, generally, input impedance should be high or low for any circuit. Input impedance should be high or low. See, this you have studied this in all the network theorems also, Thevenin's theorem, Norton's theorem, so you will be finding out the input impedance, RTH, RL. The input impedance should be high or low. You are connecting your fan to your power supply. If the fan is drawing larger current means, what will happen to the fan? The fan is drawing a larger amount of current. So what will happen to the fan?
It will be damaged.
The fan will get damaged, right? See, so when the what is understanding current is large, means the resistance is less. So if the fan has a high resistance, then it will draw only limited amount of current. So for the safety of any equipment, the input impedance value should be very, very high, so that it draws very less current from the source. So input impedance கம்மியா இருந்துச்சுன்னா, it is just like short circuit and it will draw more amount of current, and so your device will not become usable thereafter. Okay, so this value of input impedance is a drawback for this common base transistor because it is very, very low. Okay, next one, output admittance. So output side பாருங்க, admittance na you know it is reverse I by V. Impedance is V by I. Now admittance is I by V. So what is the output current? IC. Okay. What is the output voltage? VCB. When you measure the output characteristics, the input current is made constant. So delta IC by delta VCB at constant IE. Okay. See here, delta IC by delta VCB at constant IE. And it is called as HOB. H in the hybrid parameters, O is the output admittance, and B is the common base configuration. So what is the unit of admittance? This is the impedance unit ohms now. What is the unit of admittance?
Ohm
It is
inverse.
ohm inverse, or it is called as mho, or you call it as Siemens, you call it as capital S. So this is the unit for admittance. And the value of admittance, it is 0.1 to 10 micromhos. Okay, 0.1 to 10 micromhos. Next one, forward current gain. Forward current gain now, output current by input current. What is the output current in this diagram? The output current is collector current IC, input current is emitter current IE. So HFP is going to be ratio of these two things. HFP equal to delta IC by delta IE at constant VCB. And HFB, it is notation is given HFB, correct? H is hybrid, F is forward. Forward na, I am going from input to my output. I am traveling in this direction. I am going from input to output. What is the input current? What is the output current? That ratio is called as forward current gain. Okay, and you know this HFP is also denoted by alpha. Technically, it is called as alpha. In H parameters, it is called as HFP. And see here, alpha value lies between 0.9 to 1. Ange paatholla, alpha value is always less than 1 because I am dividing the IC by largest current IE. Okay, and what is the unit for current gain? What is the unit for current gain? Admittance, most
No
my
unit.
uh,
No
current
unit,
gain,
sir.
no unit. Yes, no unit. Or if you want to express specifically, you can express this in terms of dB. Okay, dB. You know what is dB? You take 10 log of this, you get the answer in dB. But generally, current gain has no unit. Okay, and the common base level, the current gain is very, very poor. Current gain and meaning output current should be amplified version of input current. But see here, the gain value is 0.9 to 1. So common base transistor cannot be used for current amplification. Okay. Next one, reverse voltage gain. Reverse na in the direction I am coming, the opposite. Reverse na I am coming from output to input. I am coming in the ulta direction. Reverse voltage gain means I have to see what is the input voltage by output voltage. Okay, input voltage is VEB, output voltage is VCB. I will finding the ratio of VEB by VCB. That is reverse voltage gain. See here, HRB equal to delta VEB by delta VCB at IE equal to constant. And it is called as HRB. HRB, HRB சொல்றாங்க. H is hybrid, R stands for reverse voltage gain, and B stands for common base configuration. So it is called as HRP. And this also similar to forward current gain. This also has no unit. And value paranga, it is 10 power minus 5 to 10 power minus 4. The input by output is there. Whereas forward current gain on the output by input. Okay, forward on the output by input. Reverse on the input by output. Okay. So here you see input by output is 10 power minus 5. So output by input thing na 10 power 5. So voltage will be amplified here, but only current will not be amplified here. Current amplification is 1, but voltage amplification is close to 10 power 5. Okay. Any doubt in H parameters? How to Identify the H parameters formula from the diagram. Any doubt anybody is having, please ask. I'm going to pause for a few seconds. See, these four H parameters, basic H parameters will not change. Input impedance, output admittance, forward current gain, and reverse voltage gain will not change. என்ன ஒண்டிதான் மாறும்? This expression will change depending on your configuration. Common base na in the formulas na whatever we have seen. If it is common emitter means it will become HIE. ஏன்னா the common base க்கு HIB, common emitter க்கு HIE ன்னு மாறும். So accordingly these expressions will change. அதே மாதிரி common collector க்கு it will change as HIC. Okay, and this expression will change. See, the basic name, input impedance, output admittance, forward current gain, reverse voltage gain, all these will not change. Only thing, the formulas and how you write the H parameters are going to change for each of the configuration. Any doubt in common base amplifier? So we have seen the working of common base configuration yesterday. We have seen the input characteristics. We have seen the output characteristics. And now we have seen what is H parameters for the four H parameters for the common base amplifier. I hope